Okay, so it's currently the night before, and am I being too loud? So we're going to the beach tomorrow, and I'm just getting everything packed up, everything ready, got the snacks, got the backpacks ready, my outfit, his outfit. We all set. I'm about to put some nails on, and she wants to go at 12. It's kind of early because I gotta get up early, and I get up at like 10. So it gives me an hour and a half to get ready. But I'm tired. But I'm gonna go relax and watch a movie. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, I know I'm a little late. Not even a little late. Like, you missed you missed us getting ready. But we're not in the car and we're driving on the way there. Everybody here is could not. Down there, right? I'll turn right to merge onto I-5 North. See you at the beach. Well,
So we made it to the beach. Go. I think Mom wants to make a sandcastle. We're gonna make a sandcastle. Guys, you guys are going too far! Huh? Yo, come back! Too far! What are you gonna do? You sandcastles? Wow! Yo, they act like they can swim. They want to go all the way off the shirt, off the shore. Okay. All right now. Juan's trying to jump in. He's trying to reach. He's like, "Hey, I get over there." You can't. You won't. That's their lifeguard right there, Caitlin. I ain't getting in. Oh, one more running. Way back. He said run. He's waving again. He said run. How was the water? Kingdom. We now here with the wild Sayana. We're here trying to make a cocoon.
But this kid over here is just messing everything up.
We was trying to make her into a mermaid, but it's not going so well because we have this hooligan.
We need to be better than him, actually. He needs to be the one. If you flash my face, boy.
Nice mermaid. Here, let me show you guys. Next time, in the Discovery Kingdom. Okay, guys. It's currently like 7:23, like 7:30. 7:33. I need glasses. And we're on our way to Starbucks to get them a drink. But the beach was a successful beach day. Super fun. I look a hot mess. Don't worry about me. Did my nails.
I didn't fall off.
I know, right?
Dang, it's hecka tight over here. But what time we in?
You know what was scary? I went to
I had to change. Yeah, it was too cold. He's already out like a light. He didn't even take a nap today, so hopefully when we go home he'll go back to sleep because I ain't having it.